Welcome back to Primetime Sports Sunday. Let's start with the Red Stripe Premier League as the marquee fixture of the day between leaders Waterhouse and the former champions Tivoli Gardens was postponed as half of the officials failed to turn up for the game at the Edward Seaga Sports Complex.
Waterhouse were looking to wind their lead atop the table to 11 points, while Tivoli Gardens were aiming to rise from the relegation zone. However, with no points on offer due to the postponement of the game, fans were left contesting a refund. But like the game, none was forthcoming. With a 50% price reduction for the next game, the solution given. Match commissioner for the game, Elaine Walker-Brown, sought to explain the postponement.
Only two referee has arrived to the venue. I must say that the JFF person in charge of refereeing has tried very hard. It's just unfortunate that they did not get here in time because both teams had agreed that they will wait until 3:20 to play the game because there's no light at this venue. Unfortunately, the referees did not turn up on time, so we have to call off the game.